friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufactures. I hope all are safe and doing great. Hope you're watching many videos in the shop. I'm creating the videos. Most of the videos were done in the godown. The work is going on. So I'm directly taking you to the live shop and showing you many products. Today I'm going to show you designer sarees. In designer sarees, everyone wants the party wear, functional wear sarees, but I'm wearing very simple, sober three-piece set of ready-made churidars. But today I'm going to take you to the party wear collections. Hello, she's also one of the friend who is wearing a party wear printed saree, which is two-tone shade, which is a very pretty. You have a party wear sarees also like this designer blouses also you can purchase according to the designer sarees. So today I'm going to take you to the something around 700 rupees to 800 rupees, and the highest price if I talk about 1500 to 1600 rupees. Jimmy Choo fabric. These fabric varieties of designer sarees are very demanded, especially if you're in US, Singapore, Malaysia, Canada, US. These collections are very demanded, especially for the parties, and you can also plan a sari boutique, designer sari boutique. I have a beautiful saris for you. So today we are going to see these saris. Subscribe the channel. Keep watching this video and select. You can do online shopping. See Boutique Pan India worldwide. We do have a shipping and transport. So cameraman is also ready. So to show you the beautiful, because the cameraman, how he will show my products to you, that much you will also enjoy the products, and you can also do the online shopping. First I brought for you the lavender color, which is a beautiful sari. The sari I'm going to show you, every sari I'm going to open and show you this is a beautiful sari. This is the pattern, this is the work. See, I'm just showing you the sari work, the silver stone finishing. Apart from that, the very pretty sari, which is very beautiful, lovely collections. The silver stone, and you do have a designer. This is zigzag based and dotted silver stone is placed. This is a Jimmy Choo fabric, which is only called for the functional and the party wear. If I talk about the next sari, which is maroon shade, there is a zigzag pattern Ari work. Very pretty sari, which is, you can take down the Burberry collections, okay. The sari code is called Burberry collections. Very pretty, which is a white zigzag pattern. You can see the saris, mountain cut I can also say. This is a very unique designs, and this is there is a small pearls as plain placed over here. Very beautiful sari, yeah. In this you have a new unique latest designs of this collections. This is a maroon color pattern. You do have a different collections in varieties. If I talk about the next sari, which is Sundar Chitra, Rama blue, very pretty, which is a floral work. There is a thread work. On that thread work there is a stone which has been placed, dotted stone placed. In this also you have a beautiful lovely collections. There is a lace which is golden stone border and embroidering thread work and based on the floral color. The next sari, which is light mehendi or beige color I can say. The lace will be beautiful shade of the, yeah, I love the sari. The sari, see the pallu, very pretty of mehendi green, which is highlighted by the beige color. Jaraj, Jabaj collections. It's not Jaraj, it's a Jabaj. Jabaj Jabaj collections, and multiple carvings has been given as a designer cut sari, and there is a silver stone. This is also single stone based and lovely pretty color sari, which is I have one more sari which is a onion pinkish shade color. This is a onion pink shade. This is also beautiful saris. Okay, this is one of the pattern. Okay, and here you can see the live example. There is a trolley over here. The bunches of designer catalog based saris has been purchased over here. There is a catalog and there is a catalog based color charts. The entire trolley of the stock, you can see the inskirts, you can see the bottom varieties, you can see the designer boutique saris and the bottom printed and churidar collections. All this mixture of collections which has been purchased over here. This is what I was showing you. Either it is a silk sari or boutique, party wear, functional, every sari you will find out a color charts and the catalog. And this are all the bunches you can see over here. And this is what the online purchase, when you do, it will go to the count, it will go to the logistic department. The bill will be taken and the quantity quantity will be checked out, and it will go to the packing. Then you will receive your product. This is the one of the pattern. Now I am coming to next saree. This is a very pretty one of the light peach color. Light peach, I have a saree here. This is a beautiful saree. See, in this also you have a peach with wiring work, bold curving cut. This is also unique design. This also you can buy. So all these sarees are very pretty. I have a one more saree. The only saree work is lace, which is a based on the zigzag pattern. Multiple stones has been placed in the designer. This is the pattern. Okay, this is a one of the pattern. These all exclusive varieties you can purchase. If I talk about the sari, this is a pattern called Mohini Roop collections. Every sari you have a identify of this online. There is a catalog, non-catalog, and the code of the single product. These product wise you can purchase. If you want to do the customized order for the products by Jimmy Choo fabric on the silk saris or the functional wear, every sari you can buy around 200 to 300 pieces 20 days before. Hope you enjoyed these collections. These are all the boutique party wear saris. You can also plan accordingly to have a clothing boutique at your location. Either it is in India or either in out of countries. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. So please order, place an order, make your customers happy, and you can plan for either home-based business or shop anything. For more details, please follow this website pages and social media pages. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, what kind of collections you are looking for. Share in the comment box. I'll do create videos for you. So keep supporting. There's a bell icon. Just click it, share with everyone. Next video we'll meet up. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.